What's up, guys? Welcome back. Good morning. We're back from Hyderabad, obviously, as you can see, and we are on the way to the underground meet. Shout out to Jeet for putting this together. He's always been a big support in inviting us and stuff, and we and Imran organized a drive for the Mumbai boys to head over to Pune. We're on our way right now to the BKC pump to fill up and head out to Pune. So yeah, let's go. Imagine the M3 in Hyderabad. Like, how crazy would that be? On the ORR. Like, I'll probably get arrested in the first 12 hours is going
all of Hyderabad will
all of Hyderabad, yeah, like, okay, so I forgot that today's a weekday. We were in Hyderabad over the weekend. We came back and still weekending because we're in that weekend mood. I literally cleared my schedule till Thursday because today we got to go to Pune for the underground meet, and then tomorrow we have the event over here for the Fast and Furious premiere. Actually, I think the premiere is today as well in
Pune, maybe.
So we're gonna watch
We'll
it
find
there.
out.
We'll watch it again tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be quite hectic a few days. So you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Passion drives us to all these things, and obviously, if you're not passionate enough, you're not going to be like, I don't know. You know what I mean? We pulled up, we're in BKC, but so much traffic, man. So much traffic. So we're pulling up now. Gonna fuel up. I see some cars over here. So we're heading out now. All of us are getting in our cars and starting our engines. So yeah, let's hope everyone gets there safe and sound. So we got a bunch of different diverse crowd with the cars rolling with us today, because this underground meet's all about bringing everyone together from the car community. You know, doesn't matter if you own a supercar or a Volkswagen Polo or, you know, Swift. You know, it's all about bringing everyone together, all different types of cars. So yeah, so you're gonna see different kinds of cars, well tastefully modified cars, some of them. So yeah, on the way now. Let's go. Finally on the highway now, just cruising, you know, just taking it easy. We don't have anywhere to be. We're actually way ahead of schedule because the event's later on today, but we all decided to like get there a little earlier, have lunch, chill out. So yeah, we're on the way now. Let's play the sound of our people. Just pulling up to the food court. Gotta refuel ourselves along with our vehicles, and we're gonna continue our journey. Hopefully, we won't get traffic on the
Cards.
On the cards. What do you even say cards in English? We're on the cards. Looking good so far, but I don't want to talk too soon and jinx us. But yeah, we're on the way to Pune now. We all got refueled, and refilled our appetites. And yeah, we're on the way now. So let's go. It's really 39 degrees, and we're in the mountain basically, and it's still so hot. just gonna pull up at the hotel. The trucks are here for the 488 and the GTR, but we're gonna chill out over here. Wait, let the cars cool off and let us cool off. So we just got here, stopped by a friend's house to just chill off, cool off, let our cars cool off, and then we're gonna head to the venue, the event. So yeah, just gonna order some food. I'm starving. My stomach sounds like louder than my car right now.
And we're off to underground 8.1 fastX reading 2.
So now we're on our way to the underground meet. Kind of late, but you know, you gotta show off fashionably late. You know how we do. Horsepower cartel, kick shift, taking over. Let's go. What?
I drive behind Sandy for living. Wow. You need to fix your exhaust.
Literally the word for it is mashallah. Bro, the cage and the I wish you could see it, bro. You'll see it on the vlog. Yeah! Guys, look how freaking huge this is. That's a whole ass bus. Looks so menacing, bro. Like, bro, that buswala got probably shit his pants. Yo, but like, to see something in your same level of vision, you're like, oh, like. Wild child.
Wild child. The value of yaks is equal to wild child.
Value of what?
Yaks.
What is wild child in Hindi? So we're just pulling up the venue. I think this traffic is because of the venue. What do you think?
Yeah, like all the people.
It's probably all the people
taking
outside
photos
taking pictures and stuff. So yeah, how long is this showing? 7 minutes, but it's full red. Oh my god, it's crazy. We're not even on the road, Rohal. Where are we? Look, we can show them.
Like outside.
I think that's why it's showing 7 minutes. So really excited. It's gonna be crazy. I just want to like park this thing and just get out and get a nice cold beverage. It's so hot outside. 35 degrees and it's like 6:30 in the evening. Covered by trees too, luckily right now. So that's a good thing about Pune. There's a lot of trees. What do you think, Rohal?
Yeah, a lot of trees.
A lot of trees. So yeah.
Yeah, been a while.
Really? For you,
Last
maybe.
winter.
For you, maybe. We're just pulling up to the meet. Let's see how it goes. Oh, wow, we got this thing also.
Welcome back.
Yes.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Come. Let's go.
So, we're just entering the venue now.
Underground. This time
We're
it's
literally going underground.
Yeah.
And the setup is sick, man. I've seen some pictures. Oh my god. Gee, you nailed it. You freaking nailed it.
Namaste.
This is insane. pulled up. Jeez, man, you freaking nailed it. He's here all the way from Bangalore. Let's go. It's insane.
Look what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. The fastest car of India. Ladies and gentlemen, my brother Imran Majid, all the way with his clan from Mumbai. Let's hear it for our Mumbai clan. Horsepowercartel, welcome back to the underground. Let's hear it for this amazing, amazing car this year. Always been spin, days after the spin, days into the underground. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure the crowd wants to hear from you. Let's hear it. All I have to say is, this thing is insane. This show is like, actually you don't even feel like you're doing it. The lights, the ambience is super. Kill it every time you get the record. Thank you, brother. Coming in from Moscow, these guys are together.
This E90 has a 1JZ in it, 1JZ head, a 2JZ built bottom head, sequential gearbox from a Hellcat, or it has a ZF 8-speed, and it's making about 650 wheel horsepower. Event's done, we're just loading up the GTR as you can see. And we're gonna go head out back to Mumbai, and on the way we're gonna get some food hopefully. So yeah man, the event was great. You know, big shout out to Jeet and the whole underground racing team. But it was really hot down there, man. I had to look behind me.
ये रेसिंग कार है ना?
हाँ, racing car है.
Scared me.
So anyways, yeah. Let's take it away. Let's see what our friend wants to say. So we just got here. Sheetal Dhaba. I love this place. Hopefully the guys like it too. Gonna have some food. And yeah, Will's gonna go take a piss. So till then, let's switch to a food B-roll for the food. fast over there, don't you think, Ruel?
Got
Just
really
really
fast.
threw us back. I don't know what happened over there. It's like I hit nitrous or something. But and plus the weather's been really good lately, so I mean right now at least. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that episode of the Underground Meet. Shout out to all the boys at Kickshift, all the boys at Tapaswi Racing, Ajit Tapaswi for putting this great event together. I mean, what do you think, Ruel? It's pretty good, right?
It's insane.
Shout out to my boy Sanam for coming down. I swear, bro, this guy does the stuff he does is just I'm speechless seeing, like, as you saw, so good, so precise. I mean, that it's hard making a U-turn over there. This guy's going drifting.
Yep, like people could barely walk also in some.
Yeah, like it's crazy, man, with the crowd there and everything. What skill, what precision. It's insane. And shout out to the Delhi boys for coming through and showing love. Kabir, Sid, Shub, and you know, we all had a great time. So yeah, man, like, subscribe, and share. These vlogs aren't gonna like themselves, so please go ahead and like it. Subscribe if you already haven't. And comment below, what do you think? You know, what do you think about the Underground Meet? So right now, we're headed to Mexico. Because Imran's like, you know what, I think the car has better than 9.4 in it. I'll load the car right before Mexico and then take it for a test hit. So, hope all goes well. I hope he does a great time. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Stay tuned for that. That will be on the next vlog. So yeah, see you guys soon. Like, subscribe, share, like I said. And join the cartel.